Every time this teenager sneezes, they swap bodies with someone else in the world. One moment they're acing a math test, the next they're on stage at a concert in Tokyo. Imagine the chaos when they wake up in the body of a world-class chef in Paris right before a big dinner service, or when they find themselves in the middle of a high-stakes poker game in Vegas, with no idea how to play. Each sneeze sends them spiraling into another life, another set of challenges, and another adventure. It's a whirlwind of identities and experiences, and they never know who they'll be next or what wild situation they'll have to navigate.